At time 0, 3 is deposited into an investment fund, earning force of interest. At the same time, X is deposited into a bank account, paying annual effective 5%. In the third year, interest earned on the first account and interest earned on the second account are exactly the same. Calculate X. So we are talking about the interest earned in the third year. So we know that IN which is the interest earned in the nth year, that's equal to the amount at n minus the amount at n minus 1. We know that from equation 5.3, and you can watch lesson 5 if you want more on this. And from here, when you substitute n equals 3, you get I3 equals A3 minus A2. And so the amount function for the deposit of 3 is given by 15.6 because the deposit of 3 undergoes the force of interest. And so the amount at t equals principal times e power integral 0 to t of the force of interest. And so substitute t equals 3. So A3 equals 3e power integral 0 to 3, 1 over r plus 1 dr, because force of interest was 1 over t plus 1. An integral of 1 over r plus 1 is ln r plus 1. And substitute r equals 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And when you substitute 0, you get ln of 1. And ln of 1 is 0. So this is just 3e power ln 4. And e and the ln cancel out, leaving just 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. And now the amount at time 2 will be 0 to 2, because remember, we need I3, which is A3 minus A2. So that's why we first calculate A3 and then we need to calculate A2. So A2 will be the same thing. Now integral 0 to 2 instead of 0 to 3. So we repeat all this. So we end up with 9. And therefore I3 will be A3 minus A2. 12 minus 9 equals 3. So the amount function for the deposit of X, so the X undergoes annual effective interest rate of 5%. So we have the basic amount equation, X times 1 plus I power t. So amount at 3 will be X times 1 plus 0.05 power 3. Amount at 2 will be X times 1.05 power 2. We subtract the 2 to get the interest in the third year. So you get X times 1.05 power 3 minus X times 1.05 power 2. And that should equal the interest earned in the third year for the first account, which was 3. So you set this difference equal to 3. And you can factor out in X and then get 1.05 cubed minus 1.05 square. And when you divide 3 by that quantity, you get X equals 54.4. So the correct answer is E.